Hi everyone, welcome to Gold Classes. We have with us a very special guest and he is from France. So I think there will be a very great conversation we are going to have. So first of all, I want to know, sir, what's your name?
My name is Joel.
Yeah, so sir, which country you are from?
I'm from France.
Yeah, it's good. So I have heard it like your country is a developed nation.
Yeah, of
So
course, yeah.
I want to know a little bit about your country and the culture and everything like that. So whatever is there in your head, you can share with us because
Okay.
my students and viewers want to know something from you.
Okay, so I'm happy to talk about France.
Yeah.
And hello, guys.
Yeah.
I am Joel. I am retired now, 64 years old.
Yeah.
I was a psychologist and I used to work in mental hospital.
Yeah.
So I'm living in a very small village in France.
Yeah.
150 people are living in my village.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Yeah.
In my village, you have no shops, nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have to use a car to move, to
Yeah.
go to the shop, to see the doctors. There is no school. Every morning there is a school bus to take the children and students
Okay.
to go to the main
All right,
city.
sir. One more question I have for you is: so you are here in very near to Varanasi, and you are coming from Gorakhpur. It looks like, yeah. So, what is the purpose actually? Do you want to see the beauty of India, or is there anything that is good that you noticed? You have noticed about India, about these places you are moving around? Yeah.
What I like the Indian culture.
Yeah.
I'm very interesting about the spirit of India, the mind of spirit,
Yeah.
and all. How can I say? The spirituality of India.
Yeah, spirituality.
Yeah.
You're all right. So most of the people are the thinking like spirituality is good and it makes us a better human being in our
Yeah.
life. So this is why it is quite prominent in India.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to know for my beginners and speakers, so they are beginners, they want to learn English. Okay. So as a country, from France you are coming. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so what importance do you feel is for English, they should learn it or not, and what are the tips you have in your mind you want to give to speak English better?
I think the best is just to talk with people who can speak English.
Yeah.
Okay, I think for me it's the most important. And it's very nice because we talk together.
Yeah.
And I know my English is French English, not so good.
Yeah.
And it's nice to talk with you because
Yeah.
your English is good.
Yeah, English is very, is the only language that connects us globally,
Yeah.
as far as I
Yeah.
know. And I am very happy that you are from France, I am from India, but both of us are being in conversation with the help of English as a language. Otherwise, it could not be possible.
Yeah, English is connecting people and it's very nice.
Yeah,
to-
and both of us are in conversation with the help of English.
Yeah.
So do you feel, so I know my viewers, they are always grappling with the problem they have, like they feel English is a taboo and it's the biggest problem for them if they did their schooling in other languages like Hindi. So they don't want to learn it and they feel it's very difficult. So in what way it can be made simple, I want to know in your own words. Is there anything as a suggestion you have in your
What I
mind?
think, you must study the basic of grammar.
Yeah.
You must know how to build a phrase,
Yeah.
sentence.
Yeah, sentences.
That's the most important. How to build a sentence,
Yeah.
even a simple sentence.
Yeah.
And after you have to concentrate about the pronunciation.
Yeah. So this is what I in my classroom do, and I tell them how to write a sentence and how to speak them properly. Like
Yeah.
they should learn some phrases and they should
Yeah.
go for it. Yeah. This is what you want to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So-
think you have to know how to build the sentence in the proper way.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir. It is really a very nice conversation we have had over here. And one more last question. I want to take your valuable time for a moment, for a couple of minutes as well. So on your way to, I think you are on way to Prayagraj, and you might have heard it or you might have seen somewhere over the internet pages that you should go there. So you want to go there, and what kind of expectations you have after reaching there?
I've seen in internet
Yeah.
there is a small Kumbh Mela in Allahabad.
Oh, great!
So
That's
I
great.
went to assist at the huge pilgrimage.
Yeah.
Even if it's small Kumbh Mela, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
Because I told you,
Yeah.
I'm very trusting in the spirituality of India.
Yeah, this is why, and this is really a very good fair Kumbh Mela,
Yeah.
as you are saying. So we are very happy to have you here in our country. I'm very happy from the bottom of my heart. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you very
And
much. Thank
you
you.
should always move. If I know in every nook and corner of the country there are good or bad people, but your way of interacting with them is very nice. And I am very happy with the way you are looking around and seeing the beauty of
Yeah.
country and
And the beauty of people.
yeah, beauty of people. All right, sir. So, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for having conversation with me, and that's all about me.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
It was
joining
very
me.
nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.